Okay, so hello, good day. So once again, welcome back to our Mendeley tutorial. So today we're going to use our Mendeley in a literature search. So when you open up your Mendeley, so you need now to install the update. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so make sure that you are logged into your Mendeley desktop by checking into your account. Okay, you can simply click the literature search, then simply type in the keyword. So for example, this day we're going to have entrepreneurial mindset. Okay, so you will notice, guys, that Mendeley will automatically search for your data or the articles that is related to your keywords. So directly you'll be redirected to the Mendeley.com citing about this paper. So an example is the study conducted by Kuratko et al. Unraveling the Entrepreneurial Mindset. Okay, so you can simply copy the DOI, the document object identifier. Then we can download this by using the Sci-Hub. Okay, so hindi siya recommended, but this is much advisable naman for you to download the paper, for you to download the study. Okay, so by using Sci-Hub, we can actually download this study. So in my case, I put it into a folder, Entrepreneurial Mindset, for me to organize this set of studies. Okay, then another thing, in doing your paper, you can also check the references of the study, where you can actually get some new insights in the references being used by the selected study that you have just downloaded. So in this case, we're going to copy the link, the title of the study. Then we can search this one in the Google, and we can actually download also this document or this study. Okay, so checking in the study, author Davis. Okay, so it's an uploaded file in ResearchGate. You can also check the other references cited by Scopus in the study Unraveling the Entrepreneurial Mindset. Okay, let's get back to ResearchGate. Then we can simply download the full text of the study. Okay, so there we go. We do have now this study about the Davis and Mayer. Okay, another thing also is that we can actually check the references of the study being posted in the researchgate.com.net. Okay, so this is how we do a literature search in our study. So what is the minimum or the recommended number of studies that you can search for your study? So in our case, we can actually recommend you guys to read at least 30 studies so you can create your paper the best way possible. Okay, by citing these references of the study, you can actually get to study, you can actually get to benchmark the study objectives of your paper. Okay, so some documents are not yet uploaded to scihub.net, and we can actually check other documents naman which we can also access. Okay, so we go back to Mendeley desktop, check other paper. Okay, so we just need to click the view research catalog entry. Okay, so click, then copy again the DOI, and you will notice, guys, that the article is open access, so it means that we can access the article for free. Okay, so but it will require you to log in for your Elsevier account. So in my case, I just need to log in my email. Okay, then the password, sign in. Okay, now we can actually view the paper of this study. Okay, then you will be redirected to sciencedirect.com. Okay, so the reader for elsevier.com. Now we can simply click the download button for you to have a local copy of the study. Okay, then now we do have now the copy of the study that relates to our keyword being searched. Okay, so we can actually check also the references of the study, and we can also download. So in this case, it was connected or uploaded to researchgate.net. Okay, to sort things, we just need to transfer the files into our created folder. So yun. Tapos makikita nyo guys, tinitingnan natin yung mga references of the study, which we can also check if it has relevance to our study that we are pursuing. Okay, so we have here entrepreneurial mindset, a synthetic literature review. So this is a good study, so we can copy the DOI, check the SciHub if it's available now. Okay, so let's get back to the SciHub. Okay, so now we can also check other paper being cited in the sciencedirect.com. Okay, so this is another study. One of the references that we have just downloaded for the previous study. So yung maganda po dito pag gumagawa po tayo ng research, so by simply downloading one paper, we can actually check the references and we can have another study that has relevance to the study that we are conducting. So yung ginagawa po natin pag nagre-research po tayo, check din po natin yung mga references, kasi minsan din po sa references makikita natin nandun din pala yung mga possible studies that would either support or reject the results of our study. It would either support our claim or either it would contradict to the results of our study. Okay, so nandun sa Facebook, naka-reminder siya. Okay, so I guess you do have now this idea how to use the Mendeley desktop. Then to do a literature search, you can always check the references of the study. Okay, we go back to Mendeley desktop, then check for other papers which has relevance to our study. Okay, then again the DOI, paste it to SciHub, then download the document, then save. So pag hindi po ma-access natin yung full text ng study, then we can simply copy the DOI, then paste it sa SciHub. Pero may mga papers naman po na open access. So pag open access, yung maganda po, we can automatically download the paper or the study as long as the journal is open access. Okay, like this one, Helion. Okay, so thank you Helion. May ko dito, papers that has been reviewed already. Reviewer pala ako ng Helion before. Okay, so check natin. So recommended articles. So these are the study that is related to the keyword that we are looking for. Okay, so medyo may sipon po tayo. So I guess you have now the idea how to use the Mendeley desktop after all those examples earlier. Clicking on the View Research Catalog button, directing you to mendeley.com, copying the DOI, then pasting it to the SciHub, then downloading the file naman. So yun, parang the same yung process. So which leads you to have an ample study for you to write a quality paper. Okay? So, once na-download po natin yung mga studies na gusto natin magamit sa gagawin nating study, mga literatures, then we can create a folder in Mendeley desktop for us to have a local copy of this study in the Mendeley. And, kasi kanina mapapansin nyo guys, nakasave naman lahat sa isang folder. We can simply click and drag these files into our Mendeley desktop to the folder that we have just created. Okay? So, transfer natin siya sa downloads into the Mendeley desktop mismo na interface. So right now, we can actually read the paper directly from the Mendeley desktop. So yun yung maganda po dito sa Mendeley desktop. Hindi na po tayo dun manually mag-open pa tayo ng files dun sa folder, but directly utilizing the Mendeley desktop, then nakasort naman tayo dun sa ginawa nating folder, then we can read those papers sa Mendeley. Now, a quick guide lang paano gagamitin sa Mendeley desktop to write our paper. So we have the Mendeley citation. Okay? So the same pa rin, we can have the keywords. Then you will notice guys, automatically those studies will pop up. Kasama na yun po yung mga authors. So by simply clicking the study, it will allow you automatically to cite the paper or the author of the study. Considering the referencing style being used sa paper natin. Okay, example to this, I can have the keyword about personality traits. So I can type this text, student, personality, and traits, and motivation. Okay. So I can cite the study. So I'll be checking the keyword. I'll be simply typing the keyword, then automatically Mendeley po, siya yung pong hanapin nyo po yung mga studies na related. Yun. So, and we can also automatically sort yung references using Mendeley by simply clicking the Insert Bibliography. Okay?
Please leave a positive comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel. More class support contents will follow.